Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you the problems I'm having after 1 year with the Zebco Bullet reel, and I'll show you how to fix them. So let's head down to the lake. Well, we're down at the lake today. It's first weekend in April here, and the water level looks like it's down about 10 feet yet. Alright, so every time I cast, my line is catching on the pickup lines, and I can hear like a little clicking sound in there. So we'll go ahead and tear it apart, and I'll show you how to fix it. So what you're going to need to do is pull the cover off by pressing the button that releases the pickups, and then you can unscrew the cover. Without pressing the button first, you won't be able to get the cover off with these pickups out. And the one that I'm having problems with was this one here, and it's just this outer ring on the outside that'll come off. So what you need to do is take Gorilla Glue, Gorilla Super Glue, or any kind of super glue. Just put a little drop on there, slide that sleeve back over the top of that pickup, and allow it to dry for 24 hours. And then it should be good to go, because this little outer sleeve right here on mine came loose and was falling off. So when the pickups were going in, that little sleeve was catching, that outside was catching right on the edge of here. So it was still sticking out just enough that it was catching my line. So go ahead and put a drop of glue on there, and you'll be good to go. Let it dry. Now to get your cover back on, it won't go on with these pickups out. So depress the button again, and now your cover will go on real easy. And that should take care of your problem. Alright, we're back down to the lake after fixing our pickup, and let's go ahead and give it a try. Much better, nice and smooth. I'm not hearing that little clicking sound as you're reeling in. Every revolution before, that pickup was dropping down and it would click, click, click. Sounds much better. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And remember to get outdoors with Deano.